for the extracorporeal knot tying, you need a needle driver, a grasper, the knot pusher, and a scissors. And you want to take a 48-inch suture and leave it full length. To start, first of all, you're going to want to grab the suture about a centimeter behind the needle with the needle curved up so that when you go in to the trainer box, you can easily grab it. So the first step, keeping the suture at full length, the timing will start when you pass the needle into the abdomen or into the trainer box. You're going to bring it in on that angle, grab the tip, keeping it oriented in the same way, and then grab it in the middle of the needle. I think it's easiest to hold the bottom of the Penrose drain to show yourself both sides, but some people will reach into the hole and hold the top as well. The next step is to drive the needle through the dots, starting on the right side, bringing it through, and then showing yourself the other side, bringing it out through the dot on the other side. I'll usually just drive it through and then grab it with my needle driver, following the curve of the needle. Now to bring it back through the port, which is what you have to do, you can't grab the needle, but you need to grab the suture about a centimeter or two away from the needle. And then I will typically hold the Penrose drain down so that I don't pull it off the Velcro. Pull this out all the way through. At this point, you have the needle end and the free end. And you're going to tie 3 knots. You're going to tie them extracorporeally. So you're going to tie a single throw, and then you're going to take the knot pusher. And the easiest way to hold the knot pusher so that it doesn't ever fall off the knot is to hold it at the very end. Okay? You want to keep tension on both sides with your hand. You're going to go right on the throw of the knot, and you're going to push this down, holding tension on the suture the whole time. Push this down to the Penrose drain. Then take your needle driver out, put in a square throw, and then keeping tension again on both sides with your left hand, you're going to pass that knot in with the needle driver, or with the knot pusher. You want to make a third throw. Usually I throw the knot down far enough so it's just above the trocar before I drive it down. At this point, if you cut the needle, if you cut the suture, then the exercise is completed. Sometimes when you throw the knot and go to push it down, if you don't hold tension, you can slip off the knot, and now you have a knot halfway down, and your knot pusher has fallen off. In order to try to recover it, take the knot pusher down one of the sides, keep holding tension, and you can try to meet up with your throw further down. Again, now the next step is simply to cut the suture. I typically go in through the same side so that I can do it right-handed, and the exercise ends when you cut the suture.